Hello everyone, welcome to Rhythm Radar for another tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you a very simple way of how you can play a cool drum solo on your hand drum. I'm using djembe, but I could be using congas, bongos, cajon or anything else. Really, I will approach it with the same way. Let's get into it. My idea is around two different rhythms. I'm going to use some funny singing just to make those rhythms simpler for you. So, first rhythm, time to play it, time to play it, time to play it, time to play it. A little variation, time to stop, time to stop, time to play it, time to stop. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Time to play it. Time to play it. Time to stop. Second rhythm. Come on and play it. 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 Right, left, left, right, left, right, left, left, right, left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come on and play it. Come on and play it. A little variation with this rhythm. Come on, let's stop. Come on, let's stop. Come on. Come on and play. Come on and play. Come on. Come on. Let's add all of these things together now. Bit faster, and now I'm gonna mix it with a few other things, see how it sounds like. Remember, practice this slow in the beginning before you start playing a bit faster. The cool thing about this kind of solos is that your right hand stays in the middle, so it keeps the beat going. I really hope you enjoy the video. Have lots of fun.